Dongguan Hongtu Sporting Goods Company Limited, established in 2015, located in the factory capital of the world, is an enterprise integrating design, production and sales, focusing on the production of bicycle helmets and providing better services for customers and users. Our products are exported to various countries in the world, such as the United States, Europe, Southeast Asia, and so on. With excellent products, we have gained recognition and reputation in the industry. Our customer base is growing. We are looking forward to building better cooperation with our customers, making the world smaller and giving greater opportunities. Our helmets are super light, non-weight bearing. The helmet is one-piece shaped. When packaged, the force is uniform, more safe to ride and protects the fragile hand. Multiple air holes, all-round heat dissipation and ventilation, makes the hand comfortable. We promise your order to us. We provide the best price, quality service, the most stringent quality, our integrity and qualification to ensure your order security. Welcome to contact us.